The 8th annual Innovation for Extremes conference was held recently at Lancaster University Management School, sponsored by the Outdoor Industries Association, with a theme of sustainable products, processes and activities. The conference covered many aspects of the outdoor trade, including textiles, clothing, footwear and retailing. A key feature of the conference is the Innovation Design Prize, first introduced in 2007, and this year saw a record entry for the coveted award.
It's supposed to work in like a whiplash-style movement, so you fall on your back area, the air is pushed up to the neck, so the air moves from here and inflates. So if you look on the boards, it shows that it will give you some sort of cushion.
We started the Design Prize 3 years ago in 2007. The idea of the prize really is to provide inspiration and creativity for new designers, put them in touch with the cream of the outdoor trade, but also to help develop the future sustainability of the outdoor trade.
The main innovation is that it's highly abrasive resistant and it's got slash resistance. Now the advantage it provides to the outdoor industry is that it's highly breathable and it's highly flexible, and it can be used as panels or as a whole garment.
Well, design is climbing trousers for women. The main innovative feature is a double-ended fly zip, mainly so that if ladies are carrying an item, a female urinary device, which means they can go to the toilet without having to remove their layers. Once you're wearing a harness and you've got layers tucked in, it's very difficult to access the top of your fly zip.
That's really good. That's really, and some of the designs, I love the colours. I mean, they just that's what it's all about. At your age,
it clips in there and actually onto there when it's
right. So it's
for anchorage.
Anchorage, yes. What we're actually looking for is to see what drives the student and what drives the entrant to actually come up with the design that they've come up with. I think that can be a mixture of innovation, it can be a mixture of inspiration, and it's also a lot of perspiration, because the way that these designs and what we're actually seeing around the particular collection that we've got today are not rudimental designs. These are fairly finished products, so there's been a lot of sweat that's gone into them.
It's lighter than this one, and we have actually improved this structure, and we have made it nearly 20% lighter.
Right.
So this one, it's just over a kilo.
We've been supporting the design competition for the last couple of years, and innovation is not only key to what this conference is about, but innovation and sustainability is also key to what the Outdoor Industry Association is about.
I think design competitions stimulate the rest of the industry. I think there's no more than the outdoor industry, and the outdoor industry is a great influence on many of our lifestyles. So if these guys can actually put something together which is helping people practically in an outdoor situation, those designs are going to become very cosmetic and going to become very high street, and that's going to help the industry.
It's basically a stainless steel frame with 2 prisms that allow belayers to watch their climber 100% of the time, so they can stay safe without damaging their neck. It would give us a chance to kind of expose the product for people to become more aware of the product, because virtually nobody in the UK is aware of the product at the moment.
It was my major project at university, so I'd take the money to invest the time in doing some more development in it, and talking to a few suppliers about getting a second prototype out of it. So
we have options, we have materials, we have choices.
For Innovex founders Mike Parsons and Mary Rose, sustainability underpins the event at every level, including communication, with this year's event featuring a video conference link with Japan and Canada, as well as upgraded webcast facilities.
The conference is web streamed. At the moment it's free, but our longer term goal is to create a more sustainable conference, because we have less people travelling and we can generate income, hopefully from the future, from charging for the web streamed conference.
I think it was very clear that there's some real creativity that's gone into this.
For the Innovation Design Prize entrants, a £500 cash prize, a year's free business mentoring and a worldwide audience awaits the winner.
If I can just say a very big well done, and if I can ask Veronica to step forward as our winner for 2010. Thank you very much indeed.
It means an awful lot. I can't actually quite articulate how much. I really am very, very happy. For the future, I'd love to be able to develop my product further. it was only a first prototype, and I've got so many things I'd like to do to develop it. So we'll see where that takes me, basically.